Lesson 11. Inventions for being healthier. A chapter overview. The scientific instruments such as stethoscope, thermometer, microscope, scanners, etc. The medicines. The surgery. The anesthesia. Introduction. For decades, man took his various diseases as an act to punishment of God and do prayers or religious ceremonies for their cure. But gradually he observed and explained the environment around him. His knowledge increased, which led to a development in the field of medical science, and thus the inventions of a number of devices took place that helped man to understand the nature of diseases and thus cured them. Now let's study about some of such medical devices and their inventors. Stethoscope. This device enables the listening the sounds of the heart and lungs of living beings. Doctors use it to listen to the heartbeat and breathing of a particular person. Dr. René Laennec invented it in France in 1816. Thermometer. It is used to measure the temperature of living beings. It measures the temperature in degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, or degree Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Fahrenheit. The normal body temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. It consists of a mercury-filled bulb at one end of a glass tube over which 0 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius is mentioned. The mercury in the bulb of the thermometer expands due to the heat of the body, which gives the particular body temperature. To measure the temperature, the tip of it is to be held in the mouth of a person under the tongue or placed under the armpit for a minute. Thermometer was invented by Dr. Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Microscope. It was invented accidentally by an optician in Holland about 400 years ago. Zacharias Janssen and his father happened to look through two lenses placed one behind the other and see that a fly looked as big as a lamb. They were surprised, and by using this concept they made a toy called flea glass. Galileo was a famous scientist of those times. He learnt about this invention and improved upon it and made an early version of the microscope. Today, we use very powerful microscopes like the electron microscope, which produces highly magnified pictures of microscopic objects. Advanced machines and scanners. The microscope helps to examine samples of blood, urine, etc. for finding the cause of a disease. These advanced machines like X-ray machine, MRI, magnetic resonance imaging machine, CT, computerized tomography, scanners and ultrasound machine help the doctors in the proper diagnosis of diseases related to internal body parts. The X-ray machine was invented by Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen in 1895. An X-ray machine can take pictures of all the internal body parts and is especially important for detecting fracture of the bones. The ECG, electrocardiogram, is highly sophisticated tests that measure electrical activity of the organ specified, like ECG is used to observe the functioning of the heart and the EEG is used to monitor the working of a brain. Likely, ultrasound machines are to enable the doctors to get exact pictures of internal organs of human body. Thus, these inventions prove to be a boon, since all of these help the scientists to find the cause of various diseases and also help in removing the misconceptions people had regarding diseases in their past time. Thus, there was a drastic change in their way of thinking. Gradually, scientists developed medicines to fight the diseases. Medicines. The discovery of quinine became helpful in the treatment of malaria. A deadly disease, flu, can now be controlled by medicines made from a tree, eucalyptus. In 1928, Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin, the first antibiotic. An antibiotic is a substance that inhibits the growth of bacteria in the body. Diseases like malaria, cholera, tuberculosis, etc. can be cured by antibiotics. Surgery. Surgery is an art of curing the disease by repairing or removing an organ of the body, which is being practiced in Bharat since ancient times. Today, doctors use electronic machines, laser technology, and microscopic treatments to operate delicate organs. Even cosmetic surgery is being done in case of skin injuries or to improve the looks of a person. Surgery has also made possible transplantation of vital organs like kidney or heart. A wonder drug, anesthesia. It is the drug which brings total unconsciousness, and the discovery of this drug helped the doctors to operate the patients as they did not feel pain while operated. Chloroform, a colorless liquid, was used as an anesthesia for the first time by James Simpson. Later, more such better drugs were discovered which were harmless. Preventive steps. Two preventive steps were discovered by scientists as to prevent from diseases: vaccination and pasteurization. Vaccination. It is a method of protecting people against a serious disease by giving them a biological preparation called vaccine in advance. Once a person is vaccinated against a particular disease, the person does not suffer from it in his/her lifetime. Dr. Edward Jenner of England gave birth to this thought of prevention of disease like smallpox, which later led to the discovery of vaccines for many other diseases like tuberculosis, polio, plague, tetanus, yellow fever, whooping cough, etc. Pasteurization. It is a process that slows microbial growth on food. A French chemist, Louis Pasteur, discovered the process which is followed by his name. He found that germs are killed at high temperature. Best examples of pasteurization are seen in milk and butter that are pasteurized before being packed. Awareness about health and nutrition can help us to control diseases and live longer. Recall. Stethoscope is a device which is used to listen the sound of internal organs such as heartbeat and lungs of human body. Thermometer is a device which is used to measure the temperature of human body and invented by Dr. Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. Galileo was invented microscope which is used to highly magnified pictures. X-ray machine, ultrasound machine, CT scan, ECG machine, MRI machine, etc. are the latest machines in medical science. Vaccination is a method of protecting people against a serious disease by giving them. Louis Pasteur discovered the process of pasteurization. Like, share, and subscribe.